the fight, all the hate, all the lies, so we know somebody who will laugh. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme, come and all you would have. Sing this now. Some men ain't for me love, all of the life experiences, things what I got through for real. Listen.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Alkaline, new rules in New York. Was it a hit or was it a miss? We are going to review it, so stay tuned.
Set good body but you get me up when you are twerking. Twerking, twerking. Cock it up, you not nothing to worry about, your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears on me, I tell you all the things that when you want.
So last night, which is the 8th of September 2018, Alkaline keep his own party in New York. You see me? The man say, yo, the one day of him and the one day of him fans, you know, say Dovey Magnum was on that party and Jamil as well also saw Flex performing. Well, we forward for review the whole performance of Alkaline. You see me? Was it a miss or was it a hit? Did Alkaline learn anything from last year New Rules, which was held in Jamaica? Because you don't know, say last year in the May time somewhere there, him keep Alkaline in concert, you know what I mean? And at that point it was over like 2 years Alkaline didn't perform in Jamaica. So did he learn anything from over here, as in performing for his own vendetta fans? Because remember, you know, this is a vendetta party. This is not a Gaza party nor a genocide party. This is a vendetta MVP party. You know what I mean? So make we look at last year performance. Last year he was highly criticized that the stage, too much people up on the stage and him not perform good. Him have too much excessive people on stage, which don't have anything to do with the performance. And people was defending that and saying, yo, you know Jamaica run X, Y, and Z. You have to protect your head back because anything can happen. Which about 50 man did up on the stage last year. You see me? Alright, fast forward to this year. Me see the same thing repeat itself. The man have a lot of persons on stage when don't have nothing to do with the performance. So did he actually learn from last year differ to this year? Did his performance get any better? We are gonna find out.
The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, now somebody who me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and I see no blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Shot me in it for my love. All of me life experiences, things when me got through for real, build me up as a top.
Say them fun, bad one night dream. When I had the time to chase me, shoot it out, we have to say me love the girl, never them. Sexy and pain. But when I'm on, I'm not when I'm cooking and chat. They never wanna see we are the man, what they gonna run. I chat and know them all, them are internet. I go flip out of them. Well, man, I'm not personal, I just come with the past day. The pain all the fight all them. Push me another time, never sing another run. Come now, you pull up. Ready to back it. So me night coming down, all of we life.
So as I can see, the crowd was well receptive of Alkaline's performance. You know what I mean? But you can't expect nothing less, because you got at a vendetta crowd with the vendetta boss. It must be successful, you know what I mean? And me have to say big up to Alkaline, because you do something different. You do something different in a dance hall. First you do it last year and go some New Rules. Him alone in concert in Jamaica. And you go so booms and forward it and carry it to foreign New York. So probably next year it probably go Miami or out a different country other than US. So probably you can see it up a Canada or England. Cause you know say Vendetta Clan, they everywhere. Yo, Alkaline, big up yourself, youth. You do the thing. But one thing I want to criticize you upon your performance, you see me? And it's not a bash to the artist, but it's more like an upliftment. Me just want to criticize it positively, you see me? And tell me in the comment section if you agree with me or if you disagree with me. But me feel like say the performing on stage, me feel like say are you alone for the on stage. And not necessarily you alone on stage. You can have other person with you. Cause you know say no matter if you're the yard or if you're the abroad, yo, you think have to set away where your defense have it up. You can't drop your guard. So right now, me only want persons where they on stage have something to do with the music. Me no want onlookers on stage. And at that me see a portion of man where to me in my eyes it not have nothing to do with protecting Alkaline. It not have nothing to do with the music of Alkaline. As in if him a go select some of the track them or nothing like that. And it not have nothing to be with taking photograph or video in it. You see me? At that me want kinda cut out. You see me, Alkaline? Just pre when me I said done. You can get more room for work on the stage. Look how the stage big. The stage is big, you know. And you only there in a one little crowd up place a perform. Because what? You have this one bag of excessive people up on the stage. People comment in the comment section and tell me if me right or if me wrong. Make we have a discussion about it. You know what I mean?
Any point, any girl, many pon, many so we do it when you boss up. Never ever eat up on me, sitting creep up on me that I pass out. Girl, you ever look neat, ever flash out. But in your two-piece with your ass out. Any point, any girl, many pon, many.
Pretty girl with a body, but good at anybody. She got manzati. Just a little sweet, you know what? I be saying, hey, pretty girl, but you know that. Say she hurting and love her, no she don't. Pretty girl with a body, but with a body, anybody. Sing that part now. I be saying, be a ganja, but run all everybody, yes sir. She come. Me say you're not ready, she say, nah sir. See the liquor just a give you no one. I think they could have taken so she has got her. But now I'm keep up in a deal. Hey, baby, you want to answer. You look so innocent, but who would think you? After me show her the end. What she do? She got it up and push it down in her hand. She got it. Everything and your money gone. And I fuck yourself but you're already man. All natural, no enhance. All when you cover it in the dance. Sing man cheap bad. We fuck around, we just stay around. If man a wicked then, woman a evil. Call a spade to woman. Pretty girl no security typical. Give me all of you. Make you hear me sitting up. Upon the food, me give you the lyrical. You tell me now.
Yeah man, so that was new rules in New York. You know what I mean? Alkaline, new rules. Make me know what I think about his performance. Make me know what I think about the idea of having an Alkaline in concert. And a new rules bringing to New York and not Jamaica. Cause you know say Jamaica it start. Make me know all of them things in the comment section. We are gonna have a decent conversation. You know what I mean? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And as you already know, and if you don't know, I guess you're a new subscriber. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So help me to reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, if you like this review, give it a like now man, and if you don't, you know what to do. You can follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Road to 1,000. I'm out.
Hold on. You know I find there were certain things acceptable, but we just want to test the crowd of it. The man was straight, so straight. The girl was straight, so straight. So far no secret on the sides. Never see them with them, you let them alive. They can't swear for me like when they got play me. Woman alone, you give me love. You kiss and then you see younger. I girl alone, you give me love. Hey DJ, we are trying forward. Shut up now. Pull up in the bed zone. They have to hold up. Get back in the view. The link can't touch and so she done it. All the never fancy whoosh.
Set good body but you get me up when you are twerking. Twerking, twerking. Cock it up, you have nothing to worry about, your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears and me, I tell you all the things about your wire. Wire.